Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So I actually got a pretty good story for you today. If you'll notice, even though it's 100 degrees outside, I'm driving with the top down. Now, just a little while ago, going to the bank to wire some money for yet another car that's coming. No, I'm not buying this car actually, so it's not for me, but it will be a little bit part of the channel. I'm sure I'll do some content on it. So I was on the highway, right around 4th, 5th gear, pretty much cruising speed. And as a digital dash on the S2000, I wanted to see it hit 100. You know, everybody wondered what their top speed is. Online, they say this thing will do probably 150 miles an hour, somewhere around there. I don't doubt it. I mean, it's a little 4-cylinder, but it's very, very light. So I wanted to see what it could do. So put in 5th gear from 6th and just let it out a little bit. And I was just gunning it, letting the motor scream, trying to get it to go over 100 miles an hour. So it's crawling, goes 96, 97, 98, 99. I don't even break 100, and then I'll show you what happened. Let's go ahead and put the top up. Yeah, so I literally couldn't even get to 100. It's crawling 96, 97, 99, 98, 99. And then right before, I just hear this super loud sound. It's got old tires on it, so I thought one of the tires blew out, but oh, the top just destroyed itself. You can see, I mean, the condition of this top is awful. I mean, I've already showed you guys this. I was like, yeah, I'm probably gonna replace it, but obviously the top's functional. It's been through a couple rainstorms, but you can see it actually ripped at the seam right here. That's where the rip started, and then obviously 100 miles an hour, it travels up a little bit, traveled a little on that side, but absolutely crazy. Top just ripped completely off. Now the car performed fine. The car did everything it was supposed to do. It was climbing. It was gonna go for 100. I think it would take a while because 6 in this car does feel kind of like an overdrive. Like, doesn't feel like it has a lot more room. You know, like it's not gonna climb really fast like the Challenger or anything like that. But the car was doing really well. It's just the top was not agreeing with what I was doing. Now, I know I haven't posted in a little bit. I wanted to do some Jurassic Park Jeep content. Like, that's why I bought that thing. We want to take it off-road. We want to do a bunch of stuff with it. Basically just beat on it. But I haven't been able to, because literally to this date, the day of posting this video, since I don't even know when the Jurassic Park thing was. That was a week ago or 2 weeks ago now. I haven't even posted in a while, and I literally, you know, I need something to make content with. I went through, I did the brakes on this, and I wanted to make a little video about, you know, fixing the squeak in these brakes, but obviously I didn't fix much. I think it's just something with these pads, probably the compound of the pads. Yes, I can replace them, but I did take both the brakes completely apart, or at least down to the caliper, and check the pads and everything. Took both the wheels off, which is a pain in the ass to get this car up in the air, even with it not being lowered. It's stock ride height right now. But did that, and I was gonna film that and put it up. I just didn't like how the video turned out. I'm trying to film this POV style. I think it's kind of cool. Maybe we'll do some POV races with the S2000. So if you want to see some stuff like that, comment something down below. But I just want to update you guys, tell you I am trying to make content with the Jeep, and I am going to be trying to make some content with this thing now, because I got to do the top, because obviously the top is destroyed. So that's going to be it for this one. If you guys did enjoy the top getting completely destroyed, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe and turn the bell on. And I'm going to update you guys as soon as we get, obviously I said there's a new vehicle coming, trying to get the title for the Jeep, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be working on some content. I am going to be doing some stuff to the Hellcat soon. I've just been working a lot, you know, because YouTube doesn't exactly pay the bills right now. So if you guys did enjoy this, drop a like, drop a subscribe. It really does help me out. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.